another beautiful question where most of the students will do a mistake. Students approach. Method 1. Students approach. Somebody asked me NCR, why we are taking. Let me take the student name because I believe in personal attention even though the class is a virtual class. If there is a student who asks a good question, I will definitely take his name in the class. There is a student who asked me why we should take NCR. Now I got an opportunity to explain. Right? NCR, I am not getting his name. Students approach. How you will solve this question? This kind of questions, this kind of logics, you will not get it in any of the other YouTube live classes. Right? My students know the difference between Zameen or Asman. If I make this class public, a day will come once the video gets into a trending mode. The extraordinary content, once it reaches, then entire market will be mine. Mark my words. X is a prime number less than 30. How students will solve it? X is such that X is a prime number less than 30. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23, 29. I listed form. Right? That is a set representation form. This is an elements representation form. Number of different rational numbers. Rational numbers should be different. Rational numbers should be different. Whose numerator and denominator belongs to A. Whose numerator and denominator belongs to A. So what they will do is, numerator and denominator belongs to A. Numerator and denominator belongs to A. Now see here, sir. When I say numerator and denominator belongs to A, numerator can be less than denominator, numerator can be greater than denominator, numerator can be equivalent to denominator. There is no condition on numerator and denominator. मेरे को पक्का less than होना है. I want greater than. There is no condition. There is no condition. How students will solve this question is, first let us take numerator less than denominator. If numerator is 2, denominator will become 3, 5, 7 and so on up to 29. 3, 6, 9. 9 cases I will get. 9 cases I will get. Now see here, sir. 9 cases I got. 2 by 3 I got. Suppose if I take numerator 3. Numerator 3. Denominator if I take 2, 5, 7 till 29. 2 by 3 next is 3 by 2. This case we got, this case we got. Are you all with me? Numerator 2, denominator 3. Numerator 3, denominator 2. Numerator 3, denominator 2. That means if this value, all the other values are there in the denominator 9. If this value, all the other values are there in the denominator 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Total 10 number है sir. 3 6 now 10. 9 into 10 is 90. 9 into 10 is 90. A small mistake students will do it is, numerator less than denominator over numerator greater than denominator over numerator equivalent to denominator. In hurry they might do 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 5 by 5 and so on up to 29 by 29. 29 by 29. But please read the question again. The question is saying it is a different rational number. 2 by 2 is, so what they will do is, it is 90. 2 by 2 one case, 3 by 3 one case, 5 by 5 one case, 29 by 29 one case, 90 plus 10. I wish there is an answer. 100 it is there. They might tick mark 100 by taking 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 29 by 29. 90 plus 10, 100 they might take, which is incorrect. Why? Because it is different rational number. All will result in one number. 90 plus 1 is 91. 90 plus 1 is 91. What are the 90 cases where numerator less than denominator? Numerator greater than denominator. There is one case where numerator equivalent to denominator. Please don't take 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Right? 2 by 2 answer is 1. 1 is a rational number. 3 by 3 answer is 1. 1 is a rational number. Both are giving you only one number. Don't duplicate the values. So answer is 90 plus 1, 91. Numerator 2, denominator pura remaining values. Numerator 3, denominator pura remaining values. Numerator 2, denominator 9 values. Numerator 3, denominator 9 values. Each and every value 9. Like that there are 10 prime numbers. 10 into 9, 90. One number where numerator equivalent to denominator. This is method 1. Please don't solve this method if it comes in exam. If you are solving like this, you are not ANIL NAIR students. Method 2. Method 2. ANIL NAIR's approach. ANIL NAIR's approach. First thing, read the question. If the fraction is of the form numerator by denominator, numerator less than denominator, numerator greater than denominator, numerator equivalent to denominator. There is no condition on numerator. One out of these two conditions, any condition is satisfied. If conditions are imposed in the question, I will use NCR. If the conditions are not imposed in the question, I will use NPR. Out of 10 prime numbers, from where I got 10 numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Totally how many numbers are there? 3, 6, 9, 10. Out of 10 numbers, there is no restriction on 2 numbers. One can be less, one can be greater. So NPR. There is one case where numerator equivalent to denominator. 10P2 plus 1. So this is nothing but NPR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. So 10P2 is nothing but 10 factorial by 8 factorial, which is 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial. 10 9s are 90. No counting required. None of the questions whatever I solved till now, I used counting. I hope it is clear. 10P2 plus 1. Why this NPR came? There is no restriction on numerator denominator. Numerator can be less than denominator. Numerator can be greater than denominator. One case only, both of them are equal. That one case is 1. 10P2 plus 1. Priya, we cannot use 10C2. Why? Because if you are selecting, you are imposing a condition that numerator less than denominator. I will do one more question. Then you compare this question with the next question. It is a self-understanding for you. 10P2 plus 1. In your notes, please write down. In your notes, please write down. If conditions are imposed in the problem, use combinations. Please write it. If conditions are imposed in the problem, use combinations. If conditions are not imposed in the problem, use permutations. I am repeating it. If the conditions are not imposed, use permutations. If the conditions are imposed, use combinations. Underline the keyword conditions. I will come to it after one more problem. Right? I hope it is clear. Now, see here. Now, Priya, it should be extremely clear to you. Method 1, students' approach, or most of the young faculty's approach. There is a difference in the way I teach aptitude and others. After listening to this class, you will get addicted to my way and you will keep checking the other videos. Most likely, if you are seeing this video for the first time, You may definitely give a call and enroll for the course, because you must be extremely frustrated with formula based learning, and it is like a water in an oasis. Find the number of distinct rational numbers. Again, question is distinct. 0 less than x less than 1. 0 less than x less than 1. Priya, for you. X is m by n less than 1. That means 0 less than m less than n. There is a condition on m and n. If there is a condition on m and n, you may use combinations. How students will solve? Now see here, 0 less than x less than 1. X is m by n. M by n. Can I say 1 by 2? I am taking m equivalent to 1. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 2 by 4, 2 by 5, 2 by 6, 3 by 4, 3 by 5, 3 by 6, 4 by 5, 4 by 6, and 5 by 6. Numerator should be less than denominator. Numerator should be less than denominator. Don't forget this condition. Don't take 3 by 2. Immediately they will count this in hurry. It is not that they cannot solve the problem. In hurry they will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. They will tick mark 15. They will tick mark 15 as the answer. But they have not read the question properly. If they have read the question, this is where you will do silly mistakes. If you have read the question is a distinct rational number. Question is a distinct rational number. 2 by 4 and 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. You are duplicating it. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. You are duplicating it. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. You are duplicating it. 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. You are duplicating it. How many duplicates are there over? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer for this question is 11. Answer for this question is 11. Are you all with me? Answer is not 15. It is a question which is actually making you lose marks by making you get 15 as the answer. The students who are impatient, students who have not read the question properly, it is distinct. This is distinct. This is distinct. 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 are different. 2 by 6 and 1 by 3 are different. 2 by 4 and 1 by 2, even though it seems different, the value rational number comes out to be same. These 4 cases are eliminated. This is method 1. I hope it is clear. Method 2. Method 2. Please write down. Method 2. I will discuss 2 methods. Method 2. Anil Nair's method 2. Anil Nair's method 2. Anil Nair's method 3. Anil Nair's method 3. 2 methods I will solve. Anil Nair's method 2 and Anil Nair's method 3. There are 6 numbers. These for you, Priya. 0 less than x less than 1. 0 less than m by n less than 1. 0 less than m less than n. There is a condition on variables. There are 6 numbers are there. 6 numbers are there. I have to choose, select 2 numbers. Why select 2 numbers? Because there is a condition. Out of 6 numbers, select any 2. Eliminate the duplicates. What are the duplicates? 2 by 4 is eliminated. 2 by 6 is eliminated. 3 by 6 is eliminated. 4 by 6 is eliminated. 15 minus 4 is 11. Here you might get a doubt. Sir, finding out that cases 2 by 4, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. If I miss out any case, answer might go wrong. That is the reason I will propose method 3. I will propose method 3. Method 2, I hope it is clear. Answer is none of these is the answer. None of these is the answer. Answer for this question is 11. 6C2 minus 4. 6C2 minus 4. It is 11. Method 3. Please write down. Method 2 over. Method 3. Method 3. Concept of coprime numbers. Coprime concept. Coprime concept. You remember we discussed one function known as totient function. Totient function. What is this totient function? Number of natural numbers. Number of natural numbers less than or equivalent to n. Less than or equivalent to n and coprime to n. We have discussed so many problems based on totient function. Number of natural numbers less than or equivalent to n and coprime to n. How to determine? Write the number as a power of prime basis. I also gave the proof in our reminders classes. N is n into why it is 1 minus 1 by p1, 1 minus 1 by p2. I have already explained 1 minus 1 by p3. This is nothing but totient of n. N ranges from 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Listen carefully why totient is happening. It is summation of totient function. Why it is a totient function? Listen carefully. This is nothing but totient of 1, totient of 2, totient of 3, totient of 4, totient of 5, totient of 6. Totient of 6. Totient of 1. How many natural number less than or equivalent to 1 and coprime to 1? There is no natural number. Totient of 2. It is 1. That means what is the natural number less than 2 and coprime to 2? 1. 1 by 2, one value we got. Totient of 3. Totient of a prime number is prime number minus 1. 1 plus 2. 1 is coprime to 3. 2 is coprime to 3. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 we got. Totient of 4. 4 is 2 square. Totient of 4 is 4 into 1 by 2. It is 2. Totient of 5 is 4. Totient of 6. Totient of 6 is 2 into 3. Totient of 6 is 6 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3, which is 2. Which is 2. So answer for this question is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, which should give you 11. Which should give you 11. Should give you 11. Those students who have attended all my classes, you should understand totient of 2. How many natural numbers less than 2 are coprime to 2? 1. 1 comma 2. One case is taken. Totient of 3. Which all are less than 3 and coprime to 3? 1 and 2. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 taken. 1 comma 4. 1 by 4 is taken. 2 by 4 it is eliminated. 3 by 4 it is taken. I hope it is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, comma 5, comma 6. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Priya, you are doing a mistake. It is 0 less than m less than n. Numerator should be less than denominator. You took a number where both of them are equal. You took a number where both of them are equal. I hope you got that idea. Where you did a mistake. One more example. That's exactly the reason you should not miss any of my classes, sir. If you miss, it is bound to happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it is 8 are there, answer is totient of 1, totient of 2, totient of 3, totient of 4, totient of 5, totient of 6, totient of 7, totient of 8. What is the important key point? Totient of n is n minus 1. If n is a prime number, if n is a composite number, p1 power a plus p2 power p into p3 power c. Quotient of n is n into 1 minus 1 by p1, 1 minus 1 by p2, 1 minus 1 by p3. 1 minus 1 by p3. I hope it is clear. You remember, sir, we discussed one small logic. You can eliminate it to eliminate incorrect answer option. Quotient of any function gives an even value for n greater than or equivalent to 3. Any natural number greater than or equivalent to 3, quotient of n is even. Even. Quotient of 1 is 0. Quotient of 2 is odd. Even plus odd. Answer should always be an odd number. Keep an eye on the answer option. Keep an eye on the answer option. Quotient function always returns. Quotient function always returns an even value. From 3 onwards, all are even. Even, it is even. Even plus odd is odd. Answer should be an odd number. Answer should be an odd number. These are, please do not miss any of my YouTube live classes. You have time with you right now. I have time with me right now. Right? This is my third class for today. Yesterday, some students staying in the villages have attended 5 sessions. Session started at 7 a.m. and we closed the session at night 11 p.m. Almost 7.5–8 hours class they have listened. I am sure at least 2 long notebooks are over. They are growing in terms of content. If you are wasting your today, you are creating an useless tomorrow. I did not say this. Mahatma Gandhi said this. Right? Next one. Another question. How many more questions are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more questions I will solve it. 5 more questions I will solve it. Easy question, sir. This question is a 5 seconds question. This question is a 5 seconds question. AB whole square equivalent to x77y. Find the value of b. Find the value of x. Find the value of y. Immediately that should strike you. AB whole square is a perfect square. AB whole square is a perfect square. Perfect square will give tens place odd. A perfect square will give tens place odd only when unit digit is 6. Only when the unit digit is 6. Only when the unit digit is 6. A perfect square, the number is said to be a perfect square. Only perfect square tens place will be odd when the unit digit is 6. Take this example. 4 square 16, 6 square 36, 14 square 196, 16 square 256. The only number, only perfect square where the tens place is odd, that is only when the unit digit is 6. This is fixed 6. This is 76. This is x7. This is x7. I hope it is clear, right? Now, we already discussed 76 power any natural number. It is 76. So, this is directly 76. 76 whole square is 5776. A is 7. B is 6. X is 5. 7 is Y is 6. Such an easy question. If you have not listened to my classes, you will not be able to solve this question in 5 seconds. You will think that it is a difficult question. Again I am saying AB whole square equivalent to, again I am saying this explanation neatly. AB whole square equivalent to x77y. Step number 1. AB whole square is a perfect square. It's a perfect square. In a perfect square, if the tens place is odd, units place will be 6. Units place will be 6. So, step number 2, this number became AB whole square equivalent to X776. Step number 3, 76 power any natural number, the last 2 digits is X776. 76 power any natural number is X776. So 76 square, if I solve 76 square, 5776. Only thing is, this point you should know. This point you should know. Rest all easy questions, right? Just by watching one few YouTube live classes, don't think that, right? You are going to clear it. Watch the video, repeat that video. Most of my students last year who are preparing for CAT from IITs, NITs, VIT, SRM, Sriram College of Commerce, Delhi University, some of the best engineering college students purchase my CAT course because they know the importance of a right content and they know which exam they are preparing for, and most importantly, they know with whom they are getting their guidance from. 5776, it is over. Next one, we will solve this question because this question is there. This question also we will solve it. How many 2-digit numbers are there where the squares have their last 2 digits has perfect squares? Write down a concept. X square 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square, all 2-digit numbers, right? Has same last 2 digits. Has same last 2 digits. Has same last 2 digits. Example, 4 square is 16, 50 minus 4, 46 square, which is 2116. 50 plus 4, 54 square, 2916. 100 minus 4, 96 square, which is 9216. X square 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square has got same last 2 digits. Please write down this point. In our last 2 digits class, I explained the proof behind it. X square 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square has same last 2 digits. Has same last 2 digits. Idea clear, right? Now we will solve this question. Now this question, ANIL NAIR's way of solving, less than 1 minute. This question I am going to solve it. Actually it takes greater than 4 minutes if you do not know this logic. X square 50 minus x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 100 minus x whole square has the same last 2 digits. Now read the question. Read the question. How many 2 digits numbers are there? On squaring, x on squaring, x is a 2-digit number. X is a 2-digit number. That will give last 2 digits as perfect squares. Last 2 digits has perfect squares. What are the last 2 digits? 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. Answer is directly 18. Why? Because if 4 square is 16, what are the cases? 50 minus 4, 50 plus 4, 100 minus 4, 96. For every number, 3 cases will come. What are the 3 cases? 50 minus x square, 50 plus x square, 100 minus x square. 25. 50 minus 5. Oh, this is one little danger is there, that I will discuss. Right? One little danger is there, that also we will discuss. 6 square. 50 minus 4. 50 minus 6. 50 plus 6. 100 minus 6 square is 36. 100 minus 6. 94. 7 square. 50 minus 7. 50 plus 7. 100 minus 7. 64. 50 minus 8. 42 square. 50 plus 8. 100 minus 8. I hope it is clear. 81. 50 minus 8. 50 plus 8. 100 minus, 50 plus 9. 100 minus 9. 91 square. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I wrote 18, but I will be little careful. How many numbers will have 25 at the end? For 25, 15 square is 225. 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, 55 square, 65 square, 75 square, 85 square, 95 square. Except ending with 5. All the other numbers, 3 cases will form. That is something which I have not seen. So, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cases I got it. 8 cases I got it. I hope it is clear. How many 2-digit numbers? 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. I think 2 more cases we have omitted. 04 and 09. Last 2 digits 04 and 09. That also will give you case 2 square. 2 means 50 minus 8. 50 minus 2. 50 plus 2. 100 minus 2. 9 also. 50 minus 3. 50 plus 3. 100 minus 3. 97. 3 cases, 3 cases. 3 plus 3, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Add all the cases. I hope the idea is clear. Don't tick mark 18 here. I have missed out a few cases. Directly you can say 9 will have 3 cases. 50 minus 6, 50 plus 6, 100 minus 6. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. In fact, I missed out one more case. This is the problem with counting. Last 2 digits can be 0. So this will be 2-digit numbers 10 to 90. These also will give you. Another extra 9 cases it will give you. I hope it is clear. Don't miss out any cases. In hurry I said 18. 18 is incorrect answer. I am getting some more cases. I took the number, my subconscious has took from 16 to 81, but in that 25 will give you cases. 0904 will give you cases. I hope the idea is clear to you. Kindly reply in the live chat if the idea is clear to you. Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear to you? Everybody kindly reply it in the live chat. I will write it again clearly. There is a 2-digit number. The last 2 digits are perfect squares. 00, 04, 09, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. These are all the cases. These are all the cases. Here 3 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 cases. Here it is 20 square, 30 square. Here I will get 2 to 9. 8 cases. 25. From 15 to 95 cases. These is nothing but 9 cases. These is nothing but 9 cases. 6, 9, 12, 21, 24, 24, 32, 35. Check which option is giving you. If I miss any case, please do the calculation. Calculation wise, I am little I will do a lot of calculation mistake, but concept wise, I think I have an absolute understanding of mathematics. Next one. Let A triple B be a perfect square. A triple B is a perfect square. Another beautiful question, sir. A triple B is a perfect square. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square can never end with 0. 3 zeros I will get. Not possible. A perfect square cannot end with 1, because if it is ending with 1, tens place will be an even number. It cannot end with 5, because 5 square is 25. 0, 1, 2, 3. It cannot end with 9, because 7 square is 49. Tens place. So the only possibility is these 4. This should also be 4. 44. What is the smallest natural number on square? I will get 44 at the end. 12 square is 144. So the next number will become x square. 50 minus x square. 50 plus x whole square. 100 minus x whole square. Right? 12 square. 38 square. 62 square. 88 square. 38 square will give you 1444. 38 square will give you 1444. Right? Ranjan Lenka, in case if I missed out any case, please add that case and find out the answer. I hope you understood the concept. Don't worry about if I missed the case. Idea is you should take all the cases. Sarujit, I hope it is also for you. Don't worry about the calculation in my class. Idea behind the class is to tell you the approaches. I work with logics. My mathematics is driven by logic and research. When I am taking a 2 hours class, almost from the last 11 years, almost every day 6 to 8 hours, 8 into 365, 2400 hours into 10 years, 24,000 hours. I sat time to understand mathematics and to simplify mathematics. I am a professional teacher. Like Virat Kohli, wakes up at morning 5, takes care of his body fitness for 2.5 to 3 hours, takes care of his batting skills for 3 hours. Like PV Sindhu, who practices every day for 8 hours. Like the person who does this amazing tabla, Zakir Hussain, who wakes up at morning 3 o'clock and practices till 8 o'clock to give you that exemplary performance, to make you enrapture by listening to tabla. I am that kind of a professional teacher. I hope it is clear. Next one. Idea clear. Next. Let us solve this question. Beautiful questions in our class, sir. Disclaimer, if I do any calculation mistake, please take care of it. Don't point out at my calculation. My calculation at times can go wrong. For me, calculation, you should be good in calculation. I should be good in logic. Please read this question. Read this question. Read this question. A is a 3-digit number. In case if you are watching this video from any particular state and your friends are preparing for the exam, share this video. I will make it public because you asked for it. Tell him after the class on a call, you want to know what is aptitude? Please watch this class. Please watch this class. And after watching one class, he will understand how to clear SSC exams in first attempt, how to clear CAT exam in first attempt. 15th to 30th, I am taking algebra and geometry YouTube live classes. If you are a serious and a sincere student, my course is a best buy course. If you want to learn mathematics through my way of looking at it, A is a 3-digit natural number. If you strike extreme leftmost, Remaining number is a perfect square. Remaining number is a perfect square. What are the perfect square? 0, 4, 0, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 18, 1. Okay. A, B, C is 1 is there. If I strike A, B, C is a perfect square. First statement is clear. If you strike extreme right, if I strike C, AB is also a perfect square. If I strike 1, it is ending with 8. A perfect square never ends with 8. If I strike 6, it is ending with 3. If I strike 5, it is ending with 2. If I strike 9, it ends with a single 0. If I strike 4, it ends with single zeros. So I got 3 cases, 16, 49, 64. I hope you got the logic. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. 16, 49 and 64. 16, 49 and 64. If I remove this 6, this should be a perfect square. Perfect square always tens place should be even. 21 not a perfect square. 41 not a perfect square. 61 not a perfect square. 81, 816. If I eliminate 9, any perfect square ending with 4, tens place should be even. 049, it's a 3-digit number. 224 not possible. 44 not possible. 649 it is possible. 64 is a perfect square. If it is ending with 4, tens place is 6. Only if the tens place is 6 and the number is a perfect square, tens place will be an odd number. 16 possible. 4 square, 6 square is 36 possible. Next one, 36, 16, 36, 56, 76, 96 not possible. These are the 4 numbers. These are the 4 numbers. I hope it is clear. Now, I hope it is clear. You cannot take 0, 0 because if I take 0, if I remove this 0, it will become a single digit 0. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros. Very easily, once you have understood the question, this is the first step in the question and this is the second step in the question. Wantedly I am creating every question which uses logic. That is the speciality of our YouTube live classes. ABC is a perfect square. AB is a perfect square. A is eliminated. BC is a perfect square. This is the question. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear, right? Logic. Next one. Answer is 4. If I miss any cases, please count that cases. Please count that cases. Next one. You are selecting 10 numbers. Beautiful question, sir. Very, very good, tricky question. Very, very good, tricky question. Because in our school days, college days, some stupid teachers might have taught you selection word is there, use NCR. Arrangement word is there, use NPR. Half knowledge people, right? Selection word is there, use NCR. That is right. Please tell me the complete question. Without reading the complete question, I will not use NCR if the word selection is there. I will read the question properly. Max is all about W and H. Why, what, when, where and how. Read the question. I will prove it to you. You are selecting 10 numbers randomly out of the first 100 numbers. If I complete the question here, that is 100 C10. I am selecting 10 numbers out of 100 numbers. That is 100 C10. But that is not the question. Sum of these 10 numbers is A. I have to select first 100 numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Lowest 10, highest 10, last highest number 199, 197, 195, 193, 191, 191. Anurag, there 01 cannot be taken in the previous number. If it is 01, if I remove 1, AB is a perfect square. A perfect square never ends with a single zero. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros. I hope the doubt is clear. I hope the doubt is clear. Anurag, I hope it is clear. This year I am going to take a lot of live classes, sir. Right? 191. Next one. 189. 181. 183. 185. 187. All these numbers will come in between. Listen carefully, sir. First thing. Sum of these 10 numbers is A. Sum of these 10 numbers is A. If I add all these sum, what is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? It is n odd numbers. First n odd numbers, it is nothing but n square. Sum of first n odd numbers, it is n square. 1 plus 3, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. The lowest value, it is 100. Highest value, 180, 180, 180, 180, 180. It is 900. 4, 9, 16, 25. 900 plus 25. 195s are 950 plus 25, which is 1900. Which is 1900. Sum of the lowest 10 is, sum of the lowest 10 is 100. Sum of the highest 10 is 1900. Beta see here, why 100 C10 is incorrect? Why 100 C10 is incorrect? Listen carefully. Lowest 10, it is 100. I have to take 10 odd numbers. If I remove these 19, if I remove these 19, if I replace it by 21, till here it is 81. 81 plus 21. What is the answer I will get? 102. Are you with me? Are you with me? If I replace 19 with 23, if I replace 19 with 23, till here it is 81. Are you with me? 81 plus 23, I will get 104. So if 19 is replaced by 21, 2 increase, 23, 4 increase, and so on. But my point is not that one. My point is, if 17 is replaced by 21, assume 17 is replaced by 21, till here it is 64. 64 plus 19, 83. 83 plus 21. What is 83 plus 21? 104. That means to get the answer 104, there is no one way. There is no one way. There are multiple ways. One example is 19 is replaced by 23 or 17 is replaced by 21. 100C10 is incorrect. Why? Because out of 100 numbers, you are selecting 10 numbers. You should get all of them as unique values. But in that set, 104, one sum I will get a value. Another value also you can get by 17 replaced by 21. Are you all with me? Similarly, you can try for 106. You can try for 108. Are you with me? So, every sum is not given by one addition. Every sum is given by a different values. So, 100C 100 is incorrect. I hope it is 100C10 is incorrect. Now, what is the lowest sum? Lowest sum is 100. What is the highest sum? Highest sum is 1800. How much we got? 1900. 1900. 1900. Sum of these 10 numbers is A. Sum of 10 odd numbers. 10 odd numbers. Sum of even numbers is always even. So all the cases we will get 100, 102, 104. Even numbers, right? All are even numbers. What is that even number? Even number is sum, sir. Sum, not the number. I hope it is clear. 1 plus 3 plus 5. And 19, it is 100. 19 is replaced by 21, 102. I am talking about A. A is an even number. It will always take A even value. 100, 102, 104, and so on up to 1900. 100 to 1900. 1801 numbers are there. In that one, 901 even numbers are there. Answer is 901. Answer is 901. I hope the idea is clear. Hundreds, you don't take 1801. 1801 is the largest sum. But from 100 to 1801. But from 100 to 1801. But from 100 to 1801. How many even numbers are present? 901 even numbers are present. 901 even numbers are present. Beautiful question where 100 C10 is removed.